Hey guys, welcome back to Groove Drives. Today, let's go for a drive in this 2022 BMW X5, xDrive40i, and Sport. This vehicle has a 3-liter turbocharged inline 6-cylinder with 335 horsepower and 331 pound-feet of torque, and you also have an 8-speed automatic transmission. So this is a nice example of the xDrive40i X5. It's very well equipped. You have the glass controls with this awesome glass shifter with the which says X in there. It looks amazing. You also have with the glass controls, you also get the glass start stop button and the glass iDrive controller. You have iDrive 7 in this vehicle. Digital gauge cluster, nice metal shift paddles, and steering wheel with heated function and ventilated seats too. You also have massaging seats in this one, which is not very common either. I'm going to try the whole body activation. You also have some nice interior trim, black leather seats, panoramic sunroof, ambient lighting. But yeah, this one has a really great options. You also have the wireless charging tray. As you can see my phone in there right now, which I like the placement for that charging tray. And you also have 2 well-sized cup holders, and you also have nice center console storage with the USB-C charging port, reverse camera. You also have a head-up display. But one thing that this car does not have is the Harman Kardon sound system. That's the only thing that this car doesn't have, which is interesting. But other than that, it has really great options. But let's walk around this car. Personally, I think BMW should have offered Harman Kardon as standard instead of having to pay extra for premium sound in a car like this, but it is what it is. Black sapphire metallic exterior looks really nice. I love the M Sport wheels. You also have red M brake calipers, and this one also has laser lights. Laser lights are not standard, and it's well worth the upgrade because they look awesome. I don't think they don't have laser lights anymore, so they're not very common. They look awesome. You have the black kidney grills. Look how awesome those lasers look. I have the laser lights on my G80. That was a must for me. I would have not bought one without lasers. Here are the rear seats. I like how you have USB charging ports back there for each passenger. You have heated rear seats too. Sunshades. And I like the M door sills. It says xDrive40i on the back, and you can tell it's an M Sport from the back because of the M rear bumper and diffuser. You also have black exhaust tip garnishes on the M Sports. Pretty good trunk space, and you also have this little piece right here which will fold down. You also have a nice cargo cover. But overall, very, very nice looking SUV. This is a very classy spec. I love it. I'll definitely drive this as a daily driver. I'm really known as the BMW guy, so by people that I know. So yeah, and you guys know I really love BMWs. Let's put this thing in sport mode for the drive. Actually, I'm gonna go in Sport Plus. The X5 is a very nice SUV. It has always been one of the most popular luxury SUVs on the market. And when this generation of the X5 first came out, it took me a little bit of time. Took a little bit of time for the back of the car to grow on me, the design, but it really did grow on me. It looks really good. Seats feel really comfortable in this one. This definitely has like the luxury seating, especially with these massaging seats. Very smooth ride. It's super quiet. You typically want to be doing your daily driving in the comfort or the regular sport setting. That's what I'd probably do. And the Sport Plus if you want to, like, you know, have some spirited driving. But it is super quiet in here, very nice. The visibility is great. The car's just gliding along the road. Typical BMW X5 driving this. Yeah, this is great. I'm not surprised at all. This is exactly what I expected. But yeah, it's really good. BMW knows how to make some great cars. All BMWs are really fun to drive. That's the thing about BMWs. Like, you're not gonna ever get a BMW that's not fun to drive in some kind of way. Even like base model BMWs are fun to drive. They all have the amazing automatic transmissions. BMW's 8-speed is literally one of the best in the auto industry, in my opinion. It's fantastic. And BMWs just drive great. Like the way they handle, the way the steering feels is all so familiar. No matter what BMW you're in, they're all gonna, you can tell that they're all from the same brand. The way they drive. Like I could be blindfolded and be driving a BMW and I know I'd be blindfolded to test out a car like on an empty road, and I would know it's a BMW without even looking at it. So BMW does a great job of that. But yeah, this car drives fantastic. It's super, super nice. And this glass shifter is such a flex. Love it. Nice. This car would look so good next to my G80 if I were to get this as a daily or something. Both are black sapphire metallic, both have laser lights. They would really match. Like as I'm saying, I would definitely get this as a daily. If I needed one right now, I'd probably buy it. Because like the value proposition of this one's really good. Like it's a 2022 model with only 37,000 miles. And the price points is in the high 40,000s, and it's still under manufacturer's warranty. And even with the CPO warranty or extended warranty, be at like 50 for a car like this. Sign me up. Yeah, very enjoyable drive, very comfortable. Everything just feels super familiar to me, obviously. Yeah, look how awesome this car looks. Look at those daytime running lights. This is awesome. But overall, very nice BMW X5. Thank you for watching another video of Drew Drives. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing, and be sure to check out the link to Grubbs Family Dealerships in the description below if you'd like to shop for your own BMW X5.